Hello, pure being, and here is another divine reminder that first of all, existence is above everything that exists in a virtue of existence. So, existence is not dependent on anything because there is actually nothing else. But existence itself has its inner structure, which contains relative separations of itself. And those separations are conscious divine beings, divine monads that we actually are. And in this realm, there are no limitations of space and time or any other idea. It is a realm of pure consciousness, which can only dream within itself, about itself, in infinite variety of storylines. And within those stories, there are infinite depths and eternal durations. But that does not touch our true reality, to which even eternity is just an idea from which we can wake up. So I invite you to intuitively feel that we are totally perfect, and we are resting in such a perfect relationship that it is beyond any imagination. Only then we can recognize that this seemingly imperfect or sometimes even confusing dream of existence is also a part of this perfect structure of existence, which is like a changeful mirror that allows us to wake up in our innate solidity, and then also it allows us to integrate that solidity as the solidarity of our deepest dreams. So, yes, it is a perfect structure, a perfect fractal of existence. So, enjoy it to the fullest right here, right now. And see you there.